This is Monika-Bielka of Vescovi, your Napa Valley Wine Correspondent. It is the end of January in Napa, and after a few weeks of rainy weather, the sun is finally out, and so is the mustard. Cover crops are widely used in Napa Valley due to diverse soils and microclimates. It can be challenging to maintain healthy soils. Cover crops are used to improve soil health, suppress weeds, control erosion, and add organic matter to the soil. Mustard, Brassicaia species, right behind me, is a common cover crop used in vineyards here in Napa Valley, as it provides several benefits to the soil and the vineyard. One of the main benefits of using mustard as a cover crop is that it is a mustard family, which means it has the ability to release chemicals called glucosinolate. Glucosinolate can help to suppress soil-borne pathogens and pests. This can help to reduce the need for chemical pesticides and increase the health of the vineyard. Mustard also adds organic matter to the soil, as it is a quick-growing crop that can be tilled into the soil after it has been mown or disked. This will happen a little later in the season. This can help to improve soil's health and fertility, and also increase the water holding capacity of the soil. Additionally, mustard can help to control erosion, suppress weeds, and provide habitat for beneficial insects and wildlife, which you can hear here behind me. It can also be used as a green manure crop, which is a crop that is grown to be plowed back into the soil to improve soil's fertility. Mustard as a cover crop can have some drawbacks, however, as it can be allopathic, which means it can produce chemicals that can inhibit the growth of other plants. Also, it can be invasive and can be difficult to control if it's not managed properly. Stay tuned for the updates from Napa Valley.